Hey there friends, this is Jack and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to enable or disable developer options on any Android phone. Open the Settings app. The Settings menu is the main control center of your device where you can manage and customize many important features. From here, you can change display settings, adjust sound and notification options, manage battery and storage usage, control privacy and security settings, and access advanced system tools that help your phone run smoothly. Next, scrolling and see the About Phone option. Tap on it to open the page. On some Android devices, you may need to open software information after entering the About Phone section to see more details about your system. Now, see the build number option on the screen. Once you find it, tap on build number multiple times, usually around 7 times. After a few taps, your phone may ask you to enter your lock screen PIN, pattern, or password for security verification. Enter the correct password and you will see a message saying, Developer mode has been enabled. After enabling it, go back to the settings page. Scroll down again and you will now see a new option called Developer Options. Tap on it to open the menu. Inside this section, you will find many advanced settings such as USB debugging, animation scale controls, background process limits, and other developer tools that are mainly used for testing and advanced customization. If you want to disable developer options, open the Developer Options menu and tap the toggle switch of the screen to turn it off immediately. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Android tips and useful tech tutorials.